How to find the least common denominator, or LCD. Let's suppose I want to add these two fractions together. 1/5 plus 3/5. Because the denominator, or the bottom number, is the same for both of them, I can simply add them together. 1 plus 3 is 4, and we're talking about fifths, so our answer is 4/5. But sometimes we get a problem like this. 1/6 plus 4/9. This is like having a lion and a tiger, and what we have to do is make a liger. Here's the way we do that. We make something that will work for both of these fractions. Here's a way to do that using prime factors. Let's take this 6 over here, and let's bring the 9 over underneath it. Do you see what I did? I made a fraction using these two numbers. The 6 there, the 9 there. All right? Now let's reduce this fraction. 6 becomes 2 times 3, and 9 becomes 3 times 3. When we reduce that by throwing away the common number there, we have 2/3. That's what 6/9 is when it's reduced. All right? Everybody okay still? Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring this 2/3 over here so that we can see it a little better. I made kind of a mess over there. Now I'm going to cross multiply, which means I'm going to multiply across this way, and I'm going to get the number 18. If I'm in a bad mood and I want to multiply the other way, I can do that. 9 times 2 is 18. It doesn't matter which way you do it, you always get the same number, and you are guaranteed, if you did this process properly here, you're guaranteed to always have the least common denominator for your answer. We'll talk about what to do with that answer on another video. Right now, that's how you find the least common denominator. Let's do another one just for fun. Here we have the fraction 7/10 and the fraction 3/8. Let's suppose we wanted to add those. We can't do it because the denominators are different. We have to find one that will work for them both. So what we do, let's take this number here because it's a smaller number and put it on the top, and the 10 we'll put on the bottom like that. You see that I made a fraction there? Now let's reduce that fraction. 2 times 2 times 2 and 2 times 5. We're left with 2 times 2 is 4, and the bottom number is 5. The 8/10 reduced is 4/5. All right? Now to get to the least common denominator, we cross multiply. 5 times 8 is 40. So our least common denominator, 10 times 4 is 40. Our least common denominator in this case would be 40. There's your answer, and there's your pig.